In this video, I will show you on how to hide important files, documents, video, images, as the case may be, in your Android phone without installing any external app using your Xhide on Android phone. Let me show you how. This is an inbuilt app in Android phone that allow you to hide any document without tracing. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Phone Master on your Android phone. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on my Phone Master right here. Having opened up your Phone Master, next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. You want to make sure you look for privacy and security right here. Go ahead and open privacy and security and it's take you right here. Make sure you go ahead and click on Xhide right here. So enable your security lock pattern or your phone lock screen and it's going to take you right here. So at this point here, you can hide pictures, you can hide video, you can hide apps, you can hide documents, and you can hide screen record as the case may be, or audio file. Let's say for instance you have an important document you want to hide. Simply click on document sections, then go ahead and click on this particular plus from the bottom right here. Then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select a particular document you want to hide. Then go ahead and hit on confirm and boom, you have the document being successfully hid right here. If I go back to Xhide, you'll see that my document hidden now is about 3. So the same way you hide documents is the same way you hide apps, the same way you hide videos, the same way you hide images or pictures, and the same way you hide audio or voice recording, as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.